Hi guys, today I'm speaking English because I'm so happy to speak in English because actually I'm not very good speaking Spanish. Some words are difficult to say in Spanish, so right now I want to make a video in English. I'm gonna put in in anywhere, I don't know where, some subtitles of what I'm saying. But in this video, well, after starting, I want to say that you need to subscribe to this channel and make ding 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 to that notification center. Well, today what I'm going to show you is how to make owl noise. So what you're only going to do is to make like your hands like this. But what you need to do is to not let like spaces here when you can see like no, you need to put it like this, like you're receiving something. And then what are you going to do? You see this thing right here, right? Well, what are you going to do is to put both hands like this. And then what are you going to do is to put right here your fingers. And then what are you going to do is to make these this thing where you can make the owl noise. And then what are you going to do is to put your up lip right here and your down lip right here and make like this. Well guys, I hope you love this video. Give me a like, subscribe, and activate that notification center. Welcome to every people who is new in my channel. Welcome, and I wanted to say goodbye guys. See ya in a new video.